how to transfer money from a Forex card to a Monzo account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from a Forex card to a Monzo account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To transfer money from a Forex card to a Monzo account, follow these steps. Step 1. Check if your Forex card supports transfers. Contact your Forex card provider to confirm whether it supports transfers to a bank account. Most Forex cards don't allow direct transfers, but they may allow ATM withdrawals. Step 2. Withdraw money from the Forex card. If direct transfers aren't possible, withdraw money from the Forex card at a local ATM. Step 3. Deposit the cash into your Monzo account. Use a pay point location in the UK to deposit cash into your Monzo account. Simply hand over the cash and your Monzo card to the cashier. Step 4. Check alternative options. Some Fox cards might allow online transfers using third-party services like PayPal or a money transfer service. Link your Monzo account and transfer the funds online if this is supported. So that's how you can transfer money from a Fox card to a Monzo account. That's all for this video.